This video I will explain step by step how to record a 1080p resolution video and editing using Camtasia 9. I am using another software to record this video. Here is how you have to record in Camtasia. Click on record button. Let the dimensions of the selected area remains same. Click record to start recording. Wait for it. I'm typing some example. Recording MS Word as a test purpose. And going to stop the video. Now you can see whatever thing I have recorded, it has come to the canvas. Go to project settings. From custom, change the resolution to 1080p. Select the frame rate to 60 fps. Click on apply. Now you can see the canvas is not need to be realigned. I will select and drag it to make it to full size. I will reduce the video clip to make it faster. Click on share button. Select local file. You have to edit the presets. I already created a preset with 1080p. I will show how to change the editing dimensions. Click on edit. Select MP4. Select next. In the size you have to type 1920 by 1080p. Here also you change to 1920. And 1080. Select the keep aspect ratios unchecked. Go to video settings. Select here also 60 frame rate. Let the encoding mode be in quality mode. Select the maximum quality or higher quality option. Select next and click on finish. That's all you need to do. Select on next and click on finish. Now the video is ready. Untitled project listed here. Let me select the properties. Here you can see the video is made in 1080p resolution. This is how it looks. Next I will show by uploading this video in YouTube and show you the resolution. Alright, I just uploaded the video which I have made with Camtasia 9 in YouTube to show you guys how the settings looks now. You can see the video which I made is in 1080p 60 frames per second and 720p 60 frames per second. So now I am going to play it in 1080p 60 frames per second. You can see right here the quality of the video is changed to 1080p 60 frames per second. Thanks for watching and subscribe my videos for more updates and tips.